there. Oh, yeah!
What are you doing, Sammy?
I've been invited to an art exhibition, Sue. Can you imagine? So I'm creating a masterpiece. It's my opus.
I'm sure it's good.
Here, take a look. I could use your opinion. I worked hard on it, especially the sun.
Oh, Sammy, you're so talented. I really like it.
But what can you say about the painting?
Well, I think it's really cute.
Cute? I can't believe you said that. It's supposed to be professional. It's a disaster. I wanted to win the exhibition and be the next Picasso.
Don't worry, we can paint something else, okay?
Do you really mean that? Cool.
Hello, everyone. Today we will create something very special.
Don't forget, Susie. The painting's got to have the wow factor. It's important.
I know that, Sammy, and you're going to like this. Trust me.
This is so exciting. I wonder what it will be.
Let's start by giving the whole thing a shape. Here's an outline.
A love heart? No way. Couldn't it be more creative than that?
We're just getting started, Sam, and now we need to cut it out.
Wow! That sounds interesting.
Haha. Thanks for that high praise, Sammy.
Okay, it's getting a little boring. Where's the color?
Oh, you are such an impatient slime. We're about to get to that. How about we'll start with red? What do you say?
Well, it's not pink, but it's okay too.
I wonder why you think that.
I've got my paintbrush. Step aside. Those blobs are doomed.
Whoa, not so fast, Sammy. We need more paint.
On it. Let's see. Orange looks good.
I like this choice. Let's put it next to the red paint.
Oh, when do we start the actual painting? I feel restless.
Soon, okay?
Oh no! The exhibition starts in an hour, Sue. I need that painting ready for it.
And you will get it. Relax and let me make a few yellow blobs.
Come on, where's the pink, Sue? My painting can't not have pink.
It's gonna look like a rainbow. Rainbow doesn't have pink.
What do we want? Pink paint. When do we want it? Now! Sam wants pink.
But we don't have any pink paint. Look.
Oh, right. Why didn't you say so? My protest is over.
Whew, that means I can finish the heart.
Whoa, so many colors, but it's not quite right. Do you feel me, buddy? We need something vibrant, something special, something pink. I can't help it.
Chill out and look what I found, Sammy. It can go right here.
Wow, you do that for me? Thanks, Sue, you're the best.
Friends, stay tuned. The most interesting part is yet to come.
I've always dreamed of being a famous artist. It would be so cool. People would come to see my work. I'd be rich. Oh, it would be the... Huh? Where am I?
Snap out of it. We need to finish the painting, remember? We're on the clock.
Oh, right, sorry. I know what to do. Come to Papa. You're going to need this, Sue.
Thank you! This will help us smooth out the paint. Check this out.
Wow, look at that action. Sue, you're a natural. This looks fantastic. Amazing. Honest, I thought you were an amateur.
Oh, thanks. That means a lot, Sammy.
You're my favorite artist, Sue. I made a new sign. I think you'll like it. Yay!
Haha. It's great. Now for the top part.
This is unbelievable. I could watch this all day. Friends, if you agree, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
All right, we've mixed all the paint. Sammy, would you do the honors and take care of the next part?
I'm a little busy, Sue. Inspiration struck, you know. I'm trusting this to you.
That's okay. I've got a paintbrush right here. I will just run it over the paint, like this.
Remember, the paintbrush is an extension of you, so don't be afraid of it.
Wow, that's deep, Sam. Okay, what should we do next?
You can take this, Sue. It'll help add texture.
Isn't it your bath sponge?
It is.
Hey, you're not getting out of bath night that easy.
I wouldn't be so sure, Sue. I have this magic wand. I could turn you into something, you know.
Okay. Oh, wow. It's even better than I imagined.
Whoa! You're right. It's wonderful, Sue. It should be in a gallery.
We're not done. We need to add a few fantastic details.
Yes, fantastic indeed. Hey!
Sorry, Sammy, but I need this.
Ow! Not cool.
Oopsie. Sorry, I just really needed this brush.
I guess the creativity is flowing, huh? Okay, you can have it.
Thanks. We need blue paint for the next part.
I need to work out more. Here you go, Sue. The finest paint ever. I squeezed it all by myself.
Great job. Thanks, Sam. We will use it to draw a few clouds.
It's like watching a master at work. Wow.
Huh, don't make me blush.
It's frustrating. Why am I out of ideas?
Sammy, you're helping with this painting. I couldn't do it without you. So don't be too hard on yourself.
I've lost my beret. It was my favorite. I'll never be a serious artist without it.
Yeah, this doesn't make a convincing hat.
It will have to do. I can't be a hatless artist.
Friends, next we'll use a sponge brush. It's a handy tool. Watch this.
This is a real sun, while yours looks like an egg yolk.
Well, I haven't finished it yet. Everyone's an art critic nowadays.
I made some edits too. Mine is still better. Just acknowledge it.
We'll see, Mr. Great Artist.
Well, yours may be slightly better than mine. By the way, where are the plants? We need them on the painting as well.
Your wish is my command. Okay, I know what to draw.
Wow, a palm tree? It's like paradise. Come, look. What do you say?
No, I want a vacation.
I could work on my tan too. Wait for me.
And I think I need more black paint for the trees.
Here you go, Susie. The delivery has just arrived.
You promised to take me there.
Hey, wait. It's a work in progress. Come back.
The black line in the middle for the horizon. Next, I'll paint mountains at the edges.
You're doing great. Where's the doll?
All right, just a few brush strokes over here. Oh, here's an idea.
Whoa, take it easy. Watch the slime. It's precious.
Hey, what was that? Ugh, forget I asked. I'll focus on the painting.
Wow, it's so romantic. And the dolly approves of it too.
I'm glad you both like it. Let me just add a few details. We need to make this really stand out.
Why don't we paint a border around the edge?
Wow, that's good thinking, Sammy.
The exhibition's getting closer and closer, Sue. I can't. I'm getting nervous.
Oh, we forgot to think of a name for this painting. Any ideas?
This is my time to shine.
The existence of love? Wow, it's perfect.
I'm not just a pretty slime, you know. Oh, I'd better get dressed. Where's my tailor?
I'll put the name tag right here.
I'd like to thank you all for this special award. It means so much to me that you love my art. Art isn't just about talent, it's about love. Wait, who am I kidding? I'm super talented. Look at this painting.
Sammy? What are you doing back there?
Well, I'm practicing my winner's speech. I'm going to need it.
But the exhibition has already started.
It's what? Oh no! See y'all!
Good luck, and you friends remember to like and subscribe. Bye!